Hi guys, it's the West from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to check your IP address. An IP address is a unique address that identifies a device on the internet or local networks. IP stands for Internet Protocols, which is the set of rules governing the format of data via the internet or local network. IP addresses are the identifier that allows information to be sent between devices. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to check IP address. So let's get started. So guys, to check your IP address, you have to simply click on start button. Now here you can see the option of settings. So click on settings. Now in settings, you have to simply click on networks and internet. In this option, you can see the option of properties. So click on properties. Scroll down and here you can see this is our IP address. If you are using Ethernet cable, so you simply go back and click on Ethernet. I'm not using Ethernet, so simply click on it to check IP address. So if you are using Ethernet cable, so in properties you can find your IP address. So this is the first method to find IP address. So let's move to next method. So simply close this. Now simply type in search bar CMD and right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Now simply here you have to type ipconfig and simply press enter. Scroll down and here you can see this is our IP address. So guys, there you can see we have find IP address. So you can also find your IP address by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.